Discounts always trigger your customer's buyer intent, but adding these discounts to your WooCommerce store can be incredibly time-consuming and frustrating. So when it comes to adding different types of WooCommerce quantity discounts like bulk discounts and bundle discounts, you might feel more difficulties. But don't worry, there's a solution. This is Nabila with RexTheme, and I'm going to show you how you can add WooCommerce quantity discounts very easily using our plugin Dynamic Discounts for WooCommerce. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can set them up. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the bulk product discounts. So for that, you need to have Dynamic Discounts for WooCommerce installed and activated. Now, when I hover over WooCommerce here, you will see the Dynamic Discounts option, and I'm going to click on it. And now you can see it takes me to this specific window. So if I click on Create New, you can see that this dashboard has appeared. Now I can give it a title. So since I'm creating bulk, so I am going to write bulk product discount. Then I have to select a discount type. So I'm going to select the bulk product discount here, and this is already enabled. Now I can specify a time frame for here. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to add it for all products. And if you want, you can also exclude specific product that will help you to exclude them from this specific discount. So those specific products won't be on sale, whichever discount you set up here. So here I'm going to select minimum quantity for bulk purchases. So basically I want to set if a person buys 2 or more quantities, I want to offer them a specific discount like 10% or 20% discount. So I want to write minimum quantity here 2, and maximum quantity you can write whatever you want. So since I don't want to give a specific maximum quantity, so I'm going to keep it as 10,000 for now. So for the discount value, you can add a specific discount. So let's say I want to give a 25% discount whoever purchases a product 2 or more. So now I'm going to give it a title. So let's say get 25% off 2 or more. So that's about it. I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to go to my shop here. So let's visit the store. I'm going to open it in incognito tab. Now let's go to some specific product. So let's say this one. So you can see that the title is shown here and the range is given here as well. So if I click on add to cart, you can see that the product has been added to my cart. So if I added another one to the cart, so currently there are 2 products of hat in my cart. All right. So if I view the cart, you can see that it says save for $25, and in total I'm saving $50. So now let's go to the shop. Let's add another product here. So let's view the cart. Now you can see that there are no discounts applied to the winter gloves. Now if I increase the amount here, so let's say plus, you can see that the 25% discount is automatically applied here. So that's how the bulk product discount would work. Now let's talk about bundle or set discount. So what I can write here is bundle discount, and then I'm going to select this option from here. So once I do that, I can select it for specific products or all products. All right. So I'm going to keep it as all products. Now you have to set up bundle tiers. So how this is going to work is if you select a specific quantity, let's say 3 products, then you can add a specific discount type. So you can add fixed set or bundle price. So if a person purchases 3 products, they will get a set or fixed discount per bundle, or you can add a percentage per item. So if you apply this, each item they purchase will have a 25 or 30% discount, whichever you set here, or you can add a fixed discount per item. So for now, I'm going to set it up as fixed for set bundle, and I'm going to add the discount value as 10%. And I'm going to give the title, get 10% off on 3 items together. Then I can add another purchase tier, so let's say 5, and for that I'm going to give them 25% discount, and I'm going to write the same thing but change the title here, on 3 items together. Then what I can do is save that. So let me show you how it looks in the front end. So this is my shop, and let's say I want to buy this winter glove. So if I go to this product, you can see that the title is here. Now let me first add 3 products to my cart. So I'm going to add this to cart, and let's view the cart. Now you can see that there's a 10% discount on 3 items here. Now let me increase it to 4 items. So once I increase it, you can see that the sale amount has been gone, because in this condition I did not set any bundle tiers for 4 items together. What I did was add only 3 quantity bundle tier and 5 quantity bundle tier. That's why for this the 4 products does not have any discounts included. Now if I increase it to 5 products, you can see that the 25% discount has been applied here. So that's how the bundle tier works in this case. Let's talk about stock-based discount. So stock-based discount is directly tied to your inventory levels. So to create that, let's give it a name. Then I'm going to select the stock-based discount right from here. So once I do that and I scroll down, you can see an option called set up stock-based pricing tiers. Now let's say one of your product has 20 in stock. So you can set, let's say, minimum quantity to 1 and maximum quantity to 20, and you can add a specific discount to that product only, or to those products that only has 20 in stock. So I'm going to give a 15% discount for only the products that are 20 in stock. All right, so let's say get 15% off on products under 20 in stock. So once I do that, I'm going to save it and go to my store. So if I open it on incognito tab, so this product that I have is only 20 in stock. All right, so if I add this to cart, I am going to get a 15% off. So you can see that this product is currently not on sale. So once I add the stock-based discount here, the discount applies. So let's say I add this to cart and I view the cart, so you can see the discount is applied. All right, so let's close this window and then let's update it to, let's say, 30 to 40. Then update this. Now I'm going to show you the store once again. Now if I go to this product, you can see that the sale has gone and it's no longer available because the stock quantity is not matching with the discount that I set up earlier. So that's how easy it is to create a discounts based on stocks. So for this, if you have any products low on stock, you can easily give a clearance offer to your customers so that they can get a discount and your stock gets cleared. So that's how easy it is to create different types of quantity discounts using dynamic discounts for WooCommerce. Now, let me know in the comment box if you want to see any other new discount options here in our plugin. So that's about it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.